Okay, it's still the same problem. It's not giving me the answer that I want. It's asking me here, because without that, this won't run. So that was that. Is it this part? Okay. Where does it log? Where does it log? You've chosen paper. You've chosen this part, but it doesn't log it from here. Okay, because without the logic we don't have the winning or losing. Oh, I forgot. Human wins. The return value of that function is assigned to the variable. Accessing the variable afterward will only provide the assigned value. Doesn't recall the function. Okay, you need to recall the choice functions to get new choices for each round. To get new choices for each round. Wait. Okay. Okay. You need to recall the choice functions, which would be get choice, because here I have my choice functions inside. It'll ask me, it'll get my choice, it'll get the computer's choice, and it will give me an answer. Do I need that in there? Let's take this out, just for now. It's fine. Leave it at that. Get choices. And then I should put that not over here, in here. Does that make sense? Add points for no one. And it doesn't log this. It doesn't log it. No points, because no one made points. I feel like that makes sense. Okay, so it didn't go through. That's fine. That's totally cool. I'm cool with that. But it still asks me twice, and it doesn't log my choices anymore. It doesn't log my choices anymore. Right. Okay. That makes sense. See, this is my problem. It's logging my second time around. It's logging the second question, and I think it's taking the second answer that is coming out of get computer choice. Does that make sense? What if I just logged it here? Paper rock. Paper. It chose rock. I lost? Why, dude? Why? Let me look at this again. You need to recall the choice functions to get new choices for each round. The choice functions to get new choices for each round. This recalls the choice functions. Get choices, ask human, get computer choice, give answers. Recall the choice functions. Wait a second. Why does the loop end though? I mean, now I'm skipping problems, but why does the loop end? You've lost this one. You've chosen paper, it chose scissors. Paper, rock. It's also a different choice, dude. It's like, why is it making a second choice? Computer choice. Is it running this here again? No. It's returning that. So this doesn't happen twice. That's what they said, right? It'll return. No. See, in my head, I was thinking, get the choices, and then run through all of this, and then by the end of that, get the choices again, but actually play round again. Wait a second. Yeah, play round. And then the loop would ask me for the choices every time. Right? Get choices. I need to get choices twice. If I play the round again, it'll get my choices first, which means it'll ask me first. Get choices, ask human. And it does 3 loops. I'm not even returning anything. Why does it do? Yeah. Okay. It's making a choice twice. I know that much. I know. Also, it didn't log this. So I'm guessing this didn't run. This logic didn't run. You've chosen scissors. It showed no points for no one. Oh, it did run. Oh, it's a wild coincidence. Unless... You've chosen paper. I'm doing something wrong here. I have a function that gets my choices. This happens earlier though. Chosen paper, it chose rock. Which happens here. This will give me my function answers. These are the answers. Okay, yeah. Okay. What is executing this? What's executing? This executes. This is executing that. Can I? Oh, I don't need to. An arrow to the top. That's fine. Should I make its incrementation a separate line line of code for if the human wins, increase the human score. Does it make a difference? If I have that in there like that, get human choice. The human wins if these things happen. Computer wins if these things happen. If the human wins, the human score goes up. Is that logged properly though? Regardless, is that logged? Return that this returns here. This returns there. This makes okay. Yeah. That's one problem I can solve, that I can say that. If the human wins, then that's not how you write that. My bad. If the human wins, human score, add increment the human score. Else, no. Else if the computer wins, increment computer score. Okay, this